Hello and welcome to Bell CB. Today we're looking at a Magnum 257HP. This is a tune-up report for Clarence in Missouri. On this watt meter I have 30 watts across the bottom. It's 10, 20, and 30. Coming right in as the manufacturer suggested 15. I don't want to go over 15 on those because then they would overheat your RFX. We don't want to do that.
Peak power meter has a 100 watt slug. Audio check, 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 check. Reading power across the bottom. Audio check, check, check. Just slightly over 80. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, and we'll check out sideband.
Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio.
And FM. I'll switch radios here.
Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4. FM.
We'll put it on here. Let's see. Greg 19 for a radio check. Thank you much. Have a good one. That was an enthusiastic one.